Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your strong arms for the back hatch on an 06 Honda Element. Start by opening the hatch, bring it all the way up. Now I don't know if the hatch is going to have some weight to it, the other arm might hold it up. But you see a middle tab here? See a little pocket screwdriver? I'm going to slide this tab out and down. There we go. You can do the same on the top side. Get that little tab, reach in there, pull that up and out. Now with the arm on the hatch, you're going to just pry that off. The bottom one came right off, but you see how that is? Let's see if it's strong enough. No, we'll let it shut. So there's the little tab that you see that I talk about. Now to reinstall, that tab can be in the down position, in the lock position. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to install the bottom one first. I'm just going to line that right up and snap it right on. And at the top, you just pull the tailgate up, line it up, it snaps right on. Just repeat the process on the other side, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.